Ngokusho kwamaphoyisa eMpumalanga, kuphinde kwaboshwa abanye ozamazama abangama-24.
You've got the new number adding to that one, 24 of these illegal miners that have just been arrested, and they will be processed, and further details in terms of their nationality will be communicated in due course.
Ngesikhathi kuvele labasolwa enkantolo, izakhamuzi besiqhinqe ngaphandle zithi abakhululwe abasolwa.
Batiphilisa labo babe banema-ID abacashwa banema-passport abacashwa balanza abantu bangaphandle batofa emsebentini bahamba botizamele bababopha abonela imuntu.
Siboshelwe amadoda ethu kunabo bhuti wethu siyibhabatho nesikhala kakhulu ngoba asisebenzi basitshela ukuthi kunema-criminal record banema-criminal record ngenzaba yema-trespassing sikhala nje siyahlupheka akusetshenzwa ngeke ukuthi phakathi ekhaya babahole 350 makahole 350 sihole 500 we-grant akuphileki kude kokuphila nabo bebathi batizamele.
Besicela mani bakhululeke bamnakethu ngoba abantu nje ikhale emuntu lapha abakhangela ikhale emuntu bakhangela umhlaba waNkulunkulu tindzaba lezi.
Okhulumela umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi eMpumalanga uthi lempi yozamazama izophela uma kungatholakala ongqondongqondo balobu bugebengu.
To deal with this problem to a very large extent would be the arrest of the actual kingpins, those who are responsible for bringing in these illegal foreign nationals into the country for illegal mining purposes.
Abasolwa ababoshwe namhlanje batholakale nesibhamu kanti amaphoyisa athi kungenzeka ukuthi labo zamazama bayingxenye yobugebengu obenzeka eBarberton.
Barberton has been having a lot of challenges in terms of criminality. You know, with illicit mining or illegal mining, that firearms come on board. And these firearms are the ones that are used to take the lives of people around the area. So we need to deal with crime without taking favor or fear.
Labasolwa babhekene namacala okutholakala negolide, ukuphula imithetho yokungena nokuphuma kuleli izwe phakathi kwamanye.